Okay guys, I figured out what the problem was, and what we didn't do was continuously update our position. So I just copied and paste. I copied and pasted this line in the update function, as you can see. And in our camera zoom, what we need to do is check to see if it is greater than 0.0 because our distance is a float as well. So if it's greater than 0.0, that means if it's 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and so on, then we want to minus equal 1. And if it's less than, we want to plus equal 1. Okay? So if we save that off, go into Unity and press play. As you can see, once we zoom in, it goes in. Once we zoom out, it goes out. Okay? So what I want to do is put these in brackets because I'm going to be adding more code. And what I want to do is minus equal 3. And on our height, we want to, H-I-G-H-T, H-E-I-G-H-T. We want to plus equal 1. So what is our height anyways? Our height is 6.5. So if we push play, let's see what'll happen. So if we zoom out, or if we zoom in, our height increases and our distance increases. So we're going to create brackets for this one as well. We're going to make our height just t minus equal 1 and change this distance to 1 as well. You know what we're going to do? Change this to 1 times time dot delta time. Copy and paste this line. Look 2 more times. Okay. Control V. Okay. So if we go back and press play, let's see what will happen. Okay, we go into, and if we zoom in, it zooms in really slow. If we zoom out, it zooms out really slowly. So what we're going to do is stop this and change this to, change this to 5 and change this to 5, change this to 5 and change this to 5. Okay, if we press play now, let's see what will happen. Okay, as we can see, it's not doing what we want, and I messed up this, so we're going to do the height minus equal plus equal. I think that should fix it. So we'll go to play. Scroll out, as you can see, it does it correctly. Scroll in, it does it correctly. Okay, so what we're going to do is say in our update function, well, that concludes this. Well, no, it doesn't. So in our update function, we're going to say if height, no, if distance, no, if height is less than or equal to 0. Well, if it is less than or equal to 1.0 f. If it's less than or equal to 1.0 f, then we want to set height to be equal to 1. We'll change this to distance. distance. We'll change this if it's less than 3. We want to set distance equals to 3. Okay, so we're going to check to see what happens with this. I'm going to press play. Okay, zoom in. And when distance is equal to 3, it stops. Okay. But it did glitch out a little bit, so we're going to press play again to see what happened. So if we zoom in to 3. Oh, okay, I see what happened. So we're going to change that to 4. If it's less than or equal to 4, we're going to set it equal to 4. Okay, press play. Let it compile. If we zoom in and let it get less than 4, it just stays at 4. Okay, so that concludes this episode of the RPG series. I hope you learned something today, and come back to the next episode where we will be moving the player. So thanks for watching and have a great day.